EditCloud is a virtual platform that connects virtual tech, our Edit Suite, to talent and to training. In the creative industry particularly, I think there's three key problems that certainly I've seen in my 20 odd years of working in the industry. There's an inefficiency or inconsistency in technology and security, and I think in the last few years that's really come to the fore. I think there's also an over-dependency on talent, and it's usually the same talent that we go to, and thus creating a bottleneck. And because of that, there is also an increase in poor visibility on costs and planning, and that is driving prices up. It's a problem, and yet the demand for content continues to scale. And so the problems that we exist to solve is around how can technology help in terms of creating a virtual environment to make it really easy to flex and scale in the most sustainable way, but how can you then take that technology and put it into the hands of creatives in a really easy, succinct way. And where appropriate, if the talent needs training and upskilling to do their job or to access new jobs, then we want to lean in and supply that as well. I think typically these challenges are felt more so in big media owners and content creators. We've been fortunate enough to work with ITV, with Sky, but also big brand agencies and some of their big global brands as well.
BASE provides integrated online media solutions from one provider. That basically means that we glue all the different clouds and software together into one solution, and we give the client a single SLA. EditCloud's a really cool project. It's actually been growing over a number of years through our relationship with the founder, Simon Green. Essentially, they've built an end-to-end virtual facility in the cloud that also incorporates user training, certification, and a marketplace for talent. Under the hood, our team provide all of the cloud technology, so the tiered storage, the virtual GPU workstations, the Adobe Edit Suites, all the bits that are componentized and combined into the EditCloud platform. That's us.
So I've known BASE for a very long time and worked closely with the team. I see them very much as a trusted partner. We have a lot of different technology and we rely heavily on cloud, and there's a lot of complexity to it. Additionally, we're a very small organisation, and so by using someone like BASE as a trusted partner, I can hand off the day-to-day operation of our infrastructure where I know it's in safe hands. I'm looking forward to a long future with BASE. I think BASE and EditCloud are very much working in a complementary fashion. I know BASE have got some products and features they're developing which we will going to be using in our platform, and likewise there's actually a couple of features that we've developed ourselves which we're hoping we can make available to BASE. And so we're looking to things like Web3 technologies to see if we can open up the windows for things to be more auditable and more open and yet secure. Clients obviously want to look at data, but they want to know that they can see a full audit trail of what's happened with their media and their data over time, and looking at Web3 technologies we can hopefully enable that.